First of all, we need to explain that how the deforestation actually started.
That the humans started inhabiting land all around the globe, started cutting those forests because there was need to produce more food. So at first stage, the forest land was converted into agricultural land, trees were lost. Then the agricultural land was converted into urbanized land. So further green spaces were lost. And ultimately we approach to today's situation where we have least forest cover, least trees, and more places where there are no trees. So what is going on? We have actually cut the sinks of carbon, which were trees, and we have increased the source of carbon, which are mainly the human activities, transportation, industries, burning of fossil fuels, all these are source of carbon. So we burn the candle from both sides.
There was a time when Lahore was famous as the city of gardens. The conversion of the suburban farms, forests, and scrubland to housing estates led to large-scale deforestation in Lahore. The beautiful mating song of the red avadavart, the mellifluous whistle of the golden oriole, the eerie call of the spotted owl, the incredibly soft yet crowded orchestra of a single shift chef are gone. We do not realize, but we are the poorer for the loss of the bird song. What are the reasons behind it? We asked the deputy director of PHA.
लाहौर में इससे पहले जब अगर हम लाहौर को फूलों का या बागों का अगर शहर कहें तो इससे पहले इसमें बहुत सारे हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज जिनमें शीशम किक्कर पाम बेरी वगैरह ये सारी चीज़ें होती थी जिसकी वजह से इस पर परिंदे भी बहुत अट्रैक्ट होते थे। लेकिन जैसे जैसे लाहौर में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसी तरह से हमें ट्रीज़ को काटते गए।
Lahore has already lost more than 2,000 trees. During the construction of Orange Line train and Metrobus, we have turned Lahore into a concrete jungle and will have to pay the price for it. Not only Lahore, but the whole Pakistan is actually facing this threat. Timber mafia is also one of the major threats to our trees.
That greed has overcome the need of human. So as a matter of greed, people go for more money. People prefer shortcuts. So what do they do? They put long-term benefits at stake for short-term benefits. Cutting those plants illegally from their localities and exporting out of their towns or out of their provinces into other provinces or out of the country mean that they are actually taking short benefits while putting the long-term benefits at stake.
Our vehicles and industries emit carbon dioxide, and these trees help in removing carbon dioxide and provide oxygen necessary for our lives. Without trees, we cannot even live in such a highly industrialized world.
There is a term called carbon sequestration, which is that storing carbon in a safer part of environment. And the most safer part of the environment where carbon can be stored are plants. So if we have more plants, that means most of the carbon in the air would be stored in that form. And ultimately the carbon concentration in the air would be decreased. Around the globe there is saying that there is high concentration of carbon dioxide in the air, and due to that we are experiencing different impacts as a matter of climate change. So Growing plants would promote storage of carbon, provide clean air, provide clean space to breathe, provide cooler spaces.
PHA is determined to make the city greener, but how? What are the projects on which they are working now?
PHA is going to do different kind of projects in Lahore city. Even we are now working out of city like in Kasoor, Shekhupura and different. One of our major projects which is going to be inaugurated in November, that is Greater Iqbal Park. After this project, we will inshallah start a collaboration project along the railways, that is the development of the railway lines on both sides. So that will start from Shahara and at Rajan. After this project, we are also going to landscape, orange line frame, and a heritage path is going to be developed at LBC Lahore.
Deforestation is also affecting the biodiversity. And it's not just the forest that suffers. Without trees, our planet cannot even breathe. We are facing global warming as well as climate change. Now it's up to us to take action. Together we can make a difference. Trees play a very vital role in complex ecological system. They store carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. They cool the air temperature by release of water vapors into air. They offer food and protection to many animals and birds. They minimize noise pollution. They make environment healthy and beautiful. They have been doing so much for all of us. Now it was our turn to give back a little. We selected Liberty Park for planting trees after taking permission from PHA. We planted grapefruit, mango, orange, jamun, guava, sweet lime, which is locally known as musammi, and mulberry, which is locally known as shetut.
He who plants a tree plants a bird. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joy Mario and I am representing WWF Pakistan.
Joel
I have
motivated
marked
the
several
guests
occasions
for
about
planting
the
trees.
importance of tree planting in Pakistan.
Because I believe together we can save our environment.
Because I believe together we can save our environment.
Together we can save our